Hi Andrea, I'm a didgeridoo player for 3, 4, 7, 9 years, and I always repeat the same rhythm. I'm really stuck there and I don't know how to get out from that. And so I'm so sorry, because the didgeridoo was so much important to me and it is still much important to me. But I think I live there in a corner in my room and now there are some spider net. So this is one of the mail I mostly receive from the students. They start studying with me and they go ahead and they have new energy. But I also receive this kind of comment below my videos, or maybe sometimes by mail or Facebook messengers and so on, or maybe just from friends. I know the point. It's not so simple when you got a specific level of playing and maybe you are stuck there because you are not able alone to find a solution to create something new. And no one would like to play every time the same music for his entire life. I tried to suggest them to meet each other, but you won't believe it. But even if they live in a huge city, they say they are not able to meet other didgeridoo players. And it's something strange. So I try to find a solution, and so I'm organizing the Didgeridoo Club. That is a monthly webinar where we have 45 minutes lesson plus 15 minutes for comments and questions, and we can go ahead obviously. But the idea is to find a topic and we will work on a specific topic for 45 minutes. It will be good for beginners and advanced, even if usually I don't like to do so. But since people are really from far, I always want to have a common vocabulary and common knowledge to go ahead with a topic. So we are obliged to start from the beginning of a topic, and this is good for beginners because they can learn it from the beginning, and for advanced because they can watch something back to say, okay, this is clear or not, and then we go ahead to the advanced topics. And in this way, for the beginners, for example, they can say, okay, I'm learning the basic, but I know that the basics are important to go ahead and to go in the most advanced technique. What to say more? There are people, they already told me, okay, but I'm in a timing zone and that is quite different from yours, and so I'm not able to join you every time. Or maybe because I'm working in the night, or who knows. I want to tell you that every lesson will be recorded and will be given to any subscriber. Just give me a couple of days, 3 days, and I will publish the lesson on the net, and I will send you the link. And you can watch it, you can invite a friend maybe to watch with him, and so you can also share the news. And I think this is a good solution. In case you absolutely know that you can't join us, but you are interested in this project, you can also buy just for the recorded lesson. It's 29 euro for 14 lessons. I think it's good. It's just a bit more than 2 euro per lesson. Okay, I think this is affordable. You can have it once a month. So you have someone who would knock on your door and say, okay, we have a new lesson, why don't you give a look at it? And so you maybe will, or this is what I believe and I'm working for, you can get some more information, and maybe just a small detail in your music can change what you are playing, and you can practice more with the same joy you had in the past. So if you want to join us, write me a mail. You can find the mail in the contact box, or you can also buy the lesson by your own. There is a link below in the info box. If you have question, just write me. Thank you very much for your attention, and I do really hope to see you live on the net. See you!